evening, folks. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Wednesday, December the 1st. Man, November flew friggin' by there. But we are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It is a one-box break. We randomed up our 21 remaining box numbers. 16 was what we got. We did random team sales for this on your left. Teams customers have been randomized, alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Come on, camera. Focus for me. There it goes. Just double checking chance, making sure no last minute offers. Alright, here we go, guys. Trading is closed. Guys, I'm not going to look either. I'll just be surprised if one, two, folks. Well, bam, guys. Going to be a Ram helmet, man. Box isn't in that great of shape there, guys. But going to be the Rams. Gonna be the Matthew Stafford. I am Eclipse Authentic, y'all. Phonetics hologram on that, baby. For the Rams. Not a monster hit, but not a bad hit, guys. Wow, man, Vincent. Vincent, you've been on a little bit of a roll there lately, man. I say all the time how streaky this stuff is. Vincent has been knocking out a bunch of nice helmets lately. They're hitting himself a bunch of cash boxes, too. Again, bud, like I said, sorry about the box not being in great shape there, but yeah, man, Vince had been on a roll. He took our cash box last night. Gonna take the Stafford now. Alright, guys, well, that was a little farther down our checklist there. So not a bad hit, just not a monster for us. This is for the Allen qualifier, guys. Giving away the Allen at the end of the series. We got a 7. 2, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, and it's 7 times. Bam. I got Kyle and Vincent. Get that in my dock. 107, 108 in the qualifiers, folks. Again, we're going to give that away at the end of the series, but I hit my wrong damn key there. Let me recopy that. Bam. Alright, 107, 108, folks. We got 20 boxes left in the series. Still a whole lot of nice stuff left, as you all can see. Stanford was a little farther down the checklist there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, even Twitch, folks. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Break. Click the follow and subscribe buttons, folks, whatever channel you're watching on. If you're not in the Facebook group, please join that as well. Y'all have a good night.